Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change body shape in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. First things first, open your CapCut app. Then tap on New Project if you don't have a recently created project. Then choose your preferred clip or video, so I choose this. Then tap on Add. Then go to the Edit section. Once there, go ahead and scroll to the left until you see Retouch. Go ahead and tap on it. Go to Body and go to Manual. Then on these three options, just choose the Slim. To make it slim, you have to move this mini circle to the right side. But for now, let's choose the part of the body you want to slim. For example, his tummy, his waist. And you just have to move this mini circle. And that's it. That's how to make yourself skinny in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.